All right, we're at the Hilton Garden Inn.
We have some Otises.
On the way back up, we should stop at 8. Just, do you have a flashlight?
We'll do a full round trip, and then we can do that. I've actually never seen this 3-wide panel with these buttons before, so that's kind of cool.
I just want to see if these are MRL or not. Definitely not. These are traction, 100%.
All right, send us up to 9.
I have never heard a more 411.
That was
geared
very
sounding
411, yeah.
Also, some of these were replaced, if you look.
Yep.
Yeah, definitely weird.
Those are cool.
That has like the most quintessential 2010s Otis geared machine noise. Or 2000s.